Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the how can you start the new document, how can you type the document, or how can you delete the text of the document. Okay. So first part, once again we will repeat. We have already seen this part. Just click on File Document. File menu tab you have to click first. Or you can directly press Ctrl N to start the document. Ctrl plus N. Here we have started new document by pressing Ctrl N. Control plus N. This is also combination key. Combination key to start a new document. Start a new document. Okay, Control N. We have seen this Control N. So Control N is used to start new document, or you have one more option, that is File menu. Go in New option, and after New you have to click on Blank Document and click on a Create option. Okay, this is a second method to start a new document. How can you type the new text? Okay, first of all you have to click on document. You have to pass the control to the document. Okay, and then you have to start the typing from the keyboard. Okay, so here we are starting for typing of documents. For typing of documents. Okay, here we have seen typing of documents. Okay, now place the cursor at the point where we want to add the text. For example, I want to add text here, so I will click on the front side. If I want to add the text here, then I will click here. So wherever you click the control, that control will pass at that pointer. That mouse pointer will pass the control at that point, at that line number. So for example, you can see now we are at page number 1 and we have typed 8 words and line number 1. Page 1 of 1. That means page number first. We have started. Now I have passed the control to this point. Okay. So from this pointer, I can start the typing. Start the typing that required for the text, or the typed text will be appear on the document. Okay. So this is called as passing the control of pointer, where we have to start the typing. Okay, so this is called as a passing the control of the pointer. Okay, we will release the space. We have given lots of space already. Okay, so we have to release this space. Okay. So here you can reduce the space of the text. This is called as a passing of control of pointer. So from that control or from that pointer, we can start the typing. Now, how do you delete the text? You have to just press the backspace key, and here you can delete the text. Okay. Here you can delete the space. So this is called as a deleting space. So there are two methods. Press the Ctrl J to cancel the last action. Okay. There are two steps to delete the text. One, you can use the backspace key to delete the file, or other method, you have to first select it, select the whole text, that is Ctrl A, or directly double click on that text like this, or directly press Ctrl A, select that whole text, all text you have to select, and then you just have to press the delete key like this, and you can see the whole text we have deleted. So these are the two actions to delete the text. Okay. Again, Ctrl Z to last two actions, cancel the last two actions. Okay. One method to delete the text, that is first method, use the backspace and delete one by one word or one text at a time. Or second method, select by Ctrl A or by shift or double click on the word, or just press delete key. So these are the two methods. Okay. So we have seen passing the control like this. Okay. Then we have seen typing of the text like this. Okay. And finally, we have seen selecting text and then delete the word by one, one word at a time or one line at a time. Or we have seen another method, that is selection of all text and then press the delete key like this. Okay. This is called as a deletion of all pages or all lines of the text. Thank you very much. So today's class test we are going to start at 12:30. Please write down all the question answer in classwork and submit within 40 minutes.